everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, well, I've got something from the Philippines. I tried this a while back. It's been at least 6 years, and I think the first time I tried it was at least 10. This is Quickchow Bihon Guisado, and yeah, we're gonna give this one a try today. This one, it's a rice vermicelli with some stuff. It's kind of like pancit, but it's a little different. It's like pancit bihon. There's some veg. There's some seasoned oil and soy sauce and a powder mixture. And here's this tight noodle block. So this goes in the boil for 2 minutes. 2 minutes there. 2 little minutes. That's what I do with my clock. I do the 2 minutes, you know, forget about it. Da, 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 da. Sorry. Anyways, we've got the quote of the day from Momofuku Speaks. You know what it is. It's a book of quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 240. Don't let your meatloaf and don't let your noodles boil over. Number 240, all people have things they are good at and things they are not so good at. Things that suit them and things that won't suit them. Thus, helping one another is the way to achieve good results. And that's a logical thing to say. I think you'd have to be crazy not to agree with that. There's things we're apt and unapt to do. Yeah, so what's going on? I'm peeling these tickets again. Instant winner! Open Nature hand soap. I remember the last time they did it, they had all these coupons for free hand sanitizer, and it was, about this time last year. Yeah. Oh, you're out of stock. Oh. How can that be? How can that be you're out of stock of hand sanitizer? Oh, you're not getting any ever again? Look, I won a whole pack of toilet paper. What? You don't have toilet paper? How's that possible? I won sponges! Instant winners! Oh my god, finally! Finally! All the instant winners are like all put into like one little area, I guess. I haven't won, I've done like about 80 of these, and I haven't won anything. Okay, last one, and it's 50 cents off Simply Orange Juice. I don't want any orange juice. All right, well we won 2 things, but the problem is we're gonna go there, and you know what we're gonna find? They don't have any, because that's how it works. You go and you win. You do all the tickets and junk, and they say, oh, you'll get one of these things. It's a great prize. You're going to enjoy it thoroughly. And then you go, and they don't have any in. Oh, sorry, nothing we can do about that. No, we can't replace it with this or substitute it. No. You're a winner. No. I mean, I've had them give me flack about trying to get things that is obviously the thing. And they're like, oh, well, sorry, it's not coming up. It's like, I don't care. I won this thing. Well, we don't care. Yeah, we can't give you a free donut today. I'm really sorry about that, but COVID. COVID this. Sucker. Okay, so there's the powder. Let's get you in on this fun. So yeah, this you kind of do up like pancit or mee goreng. I've slept in today. My wife's been waking me up. She was super kind. She's like, I'm like, yeah, my alarm just doesn't seem to wake me up. Well, what time do you wake up? I'll set an alarm, it'll wake me up, and then I'll wake you up. Really? That's rad. Well, it didn't work today. I didn't get up, which really bums me out. because I'm trying to get all these top 10 done. Oh, top 10s done. That you want to talk a sense of completion. I will say that the whole thing of not using the green screen bums me out, but man, I get so much more done. It's like I can crank out, I'll probably have pretty much everything done. Now, I'm not gonna push it. I'll have it done by Friday. But yeah. Yeah, it's like my goal. You want to hear how freaking idiotic I am? I'll tell you. So what I want to do is I want to be able to get 10 miles of walking in. No, 20 miles of walking. I want to do 3 reviews. I want to get my top 10 list done. I want to be able to do all the school stuff. And you know, I've pulled it off, but then I die. So, but that's my preferred thing to do, is to get like as much done as possible. All right, let's give this a try. Last time I had this, I didn't like the noodle, and this seems like it's gonna be okay. Definitely has that sweetness. That's good. I like that one. I like it better than I thought I did. I've had it before, the rice noodle just did not work out right, and this time it certainly did. Very fluffy. Okay. So there is our Bihon. Vermicelli. There it is, I just used it. Okay. So, we're gonna go with our egg. Got a nice soft-boiled egg. Might still be. Egg happiness. Those are happy. It's Filipino. I'm gonna go with some of this nice pork, mainly because I don't know. This reminds me of this other stuff. At least the region is close enough to where they make this stuff in Sarawak. I can't remember what it's called though. But they usually have it with pork, like this kind of pork. A little pile of that. Some spring onion. I don't think we need that mung bean sprout. And maybe some crushed red pepper. I think we'll call it a day. Yeah. I really want to do a lot more Filipino stuff, and honestly, I need to go eat at more Filipino joints because I really haven't. And if there's one cuisine that I would love to get immersed in, if there's anybody in like the Seattle area who knows of a really good place to get Filipino food, I know I saw one at a Pike Place Market, but yeah. But yeah, let's go like that, right? Right? Are we in the middle? No. There we go. Cha cha cha. first of 3 I'm doing today. The next one will be, oh yeah. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Here it is. Check this out. You see that? It's from Pakistan. It doesn't have any, it's not like an instant noodle. It's just like a regular noodle. But we'll see. They're called rainbow noodles. Catch you next time. Bye.